Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all panel. Today I want to present the paper on analysis on aerodynamic design of vehicle for body modification of Prodo Myvi. My name is Muhammad Fakhrazi bin Jamaluddin from Jabatan Kejuruteraan Mekanikal Politeknik Kuching Sarawak. Okay, this project I also run with two of my friend, which are Muhammad Saiful bin Saleh, Jabatan Kejuruteraan Mekanikal Politeknik Kuching Sarawak, and another person is Encik Anwar Rashidi bin Anwar from Jabatan Kejuruteraan Mekanikal Politeknik Kuching Sarawak. Okay, two of us run this analysis. Then I present this paper on behalf of my group. Okay, first of all, I want to start with introduction about this paper. Okay, vehicle aerodynamics is important parameters to design the vehicle. Okay, the shape of the body of a vehicle is the key to taking advantage of certain physics theories to improve a car. The aerodynamic downforce is a one of characteristic in aerodynamics car design which affect in car performance and handling, also in fuel efficiency. The downforce increase the traction of the car, hence bestowing stability. This analysis involved two models of Prodo Myvi. That's the first model is before modification based on the initial geometry, and the second model is after we make a modification or we redesign geometry of a car body and in term of rear roof. Okay, we make a little bit modification in term of geometry car body and also in term of rear roof. Okay, then we run this analysis. We use ANSYS CFX Fluid Flow to run the simulation and Autodesk Inventor to design the car model. Okay, we draw using Autodesk Inventor and we put in the CFX Fluid Flow for meshing and also for run analysis. Okay, this is our methodology of doing analysis. I had draw the model based on dimension of Prodo Myvi model 2013. Okay, this model is been designed for the competition Prodo Eco Challenge competition. This drawing are using Autodesk Inventor to draw because we need to do in 3D. The first figure is before the modification, and the second figure is after we had a little bit modification in terms of the body and also the rear roof. Okay, after modification had been made for the competition in improving the drag force and down force. Okay, next is our I continue my methodology. Okay, this is after we had done this model was after that this model is imported into fluid flow CFX geometry. In the CFX geometry, wind tunnel was created and combined with car model. Size of wind tunnel created in CFX geometry, the CFX geometry is used to do a meshing process. Okay, so our flowchart we doing CAD in the Autodesk Inventor, and we imported to the ANSYS CFX geometry for meshing. We draw the wind tunnel in the CFX geometry, and when the meshing we set up and run, then we get the solution. Alright. Okay, this is our meshing. This figure show the meshing. The meshing had been made. In the meshing, I had run both files, which are before modification and after modification. For each model, it takes 5 to 6 hours to render. Okay, to get for modification, we get about 199 uh, 199,359 for the nodes, and element is 1,075,310, and for meshing maybe after modification is about 215,505, and the element about 1,166,600 elements had been created. Okay. Okay, then the analysis had been done in CFX geometry, but we need to set the parameter of for the analysis. The parameters are as shown in the slide. Okay, there are we are set depend on the domain. The domain type of wind tunnel set as we set as fluid type. The material of fluid type is air at 25 degrees Celsius. The heat transfer is isothermal and fluid temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. Okay, this analysis is focused on turbulent flow using K epsilon option. Okay, we are using K epsilon option, and the velocity we set to 50 meter per second. The temperature is 25 degrees Celsius. The outlet boundary condition is set. The pressure outlet is 101.3 kilopascal. Then density of air is 1.225 kilogram per meter cube. The viscosity of air is 1.7894 times 10 to the power of minus 5 kilogram per meter per second. Okay. Alright. Okay. The type of boundary condition also need to be made as parameter. Okay. The boundary detail for the car is no slip wall. Okay. Smooth wall. We need to decide as smooth wall, and the inlet is normal speed is 50 meter per second, equivalent to 180 meter kilometer per hour. And the outlet is static pressure 101.3 kilopascal, and the wall are free slip wall for the wind tunnel. Alright. After we and the boundary, after that we run about for CFX ni about 1 to 2 day lah. But for the before modification, we run about 43 hour. 43 hour, almost 43 hour. And after modification, we run about 48 hour. Alright, 48 hour. Okay, so we get the result. Okay, after running the analysis about more than 24 hours to 48 hours, the result obtained from the calculator in the CFX and CIS. The value of downforce acting on the car is increased after modification. So there is difference between before modification and after modification. The value of drag force is increased after modification of the car body. Alright. Okay, this figure show the static pressure counter after modification, and the second figure shows static counter before modification. This is after modification. You can see, alright. After modification, there are okay. This is just slightly a yellow pressure lah, a yellow pressure. This is show the downforce the downforce. Alright. Sorry, no, the yellow, the blue one, the blue one, and this is a little bit big. Okay, before modification, we get in term of downforce. Okay, downforce is at the y-axis. We get to 189.008 Newton, and after modification, we get 1070.13. So increase. Okay, the value of downforce is increased. Okay, meanwhile, in term of drag force, just slightly. they slightly increase about 48 Newton. The difference is about 48 Newton. Okay, we got before modification is 1429 Newton and 1477.05 Newton. Okay, in the discussion, so we conclude that the increasing of pressure at the top surface of body creating more downforce and directly gives traction between tire and road, thus improve the stability of the car handling. The modification at the rear roof generates downforce. Okay, when we cut a little bit downforce, a little bit at rear roof, it generates downforce due to its profile accelerating airflow on its lower surface of body in relation to the flow over the top surface of the body. Okay, the accelerating of airflow at the lower surface of body have creating decreasing of pressure, resulting pressure difference between the upper and lower surface of body, thus generating and increasing the downforce. So in the conclusion, okay, this research discovered that modification on the rear roof of Myvi improved the airflow around the car, thus produce more downforce. The higher downforce will increase traction between tire and road and give more stability for handling the car. Alright. Okay, my recommendation to get a better result, the analysis of CFD simulation of the car can be done in dynamic analysis. Okay, depending on the capabilities, and another plan is to verification the result obtained from CFD analysis to wind tunnel testing. So we need to do experimental analysis. Okay, we make this car, we make the car or actual, and we put in the wind tunnel. Okay, then we run the test. We can compare in term of analysis, software analysis and experimental analysis. Okay, that's all. Alright. Another thing, the design of the actuation of vehicle is also important criteria to define better aerodynamic characteristic. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum and thank you very much.